right. So, I've always tried to prove to myself that I could be on MasterChef. I'm not the world's greatest cook, but I'm a pretty good cook. I like to consider myself a good chef. But I've never tried making my own pasta. And I feel like if I were ever on MasterChef, that's like something that they do a lot, and they judge them a lot if they don't know how. I'm not ever going to be on MasterChef, but I'd like to think so. We're gonna try making our own pasta today, and we're gonna see how it goes. I found a recipe to do pasta without like the machine. I've seen them do it a lot of times, so I think I know what I'm doing. Can I do it on here? Every time I see somebody do it on like a countertop, it's like in an industrial kitchen. This is like my house kitchen, so it's like, I feel like wood would be a bad idea. It just says on the countertop. I mean, I did just clean it. Okay. If this doesn't work, I'll scrap it and we'll just do it on the marble. Granite. On the granite? I don't know what this is. I think it's granite. I don't build houses. In case you thought I did. I should have gotten all this out before. We need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm the cook now. Why do we own so many lighters? Let's light a candle, you and I. Did it just get romantic in here? I think it did. I'm gonna get a big old spoon and we're gonna go ahead and make the flour well. So for those of you who don't know, you're gonna make a big thing, like a big mound of flour. And then we're gonna make a well in the middle, like a little hole in the middle. And that's where we're gonna crack all the eggs. And then that's where we're gonna put all the olive oil and salt. I'm almost positive that I'm gonna have to like resort to doing it on the counter, because I think scraping it on this is gonna be a really bad idea. Let's do it anyway. Let's make some mistakes. Oh my god, okay. So that's 2 cups of flour. This is actually smaller than I thought. And then 3/4, I need more flour. Is this entertaining? Heap the flour into a pile on the countertop. Create a large well in the center. How large is too large? And how much is not large enough? I am an architect. Big enough to hold the eggs in olive oil like a bowl. This isn't very bowl-like. And spread it out, and then I'll... Okay, I think this looks fine. Oh, my pretzel. Okay, so this is the well that I have. The crevasse. I think it's big enough to hold the eggs and the olive oil and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of do it from this angle because I don't think you can see what I'm doing otherwise, which is fine. Oh my god, please. Oh no, I got shell in there. This is already not going off well. Also, this egg is like taking up the entirety of the well, and it's only 1 egg. If you use the eggshell, it's easier to like get things out with the shell than your fingers. Okay, I think I got it out. Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. This is already a mess. Oh, and it's already, oh my god, it's leaking. Okay, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking. Oh my god, okay, what do I do? What do I do? Professional. Be a professional. It's fine. We're gonna move some stuff over. You can't really tell. Oh my god, it is like all gonna start coming out. I still have 2 more eggs and 4. Oh god, this is a mess. Okay. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. Stop. I'm scared. An egg yolk. Oh god, that was not a good. Oh my god, it's all coming out of the side. No. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, I need like emergency assistance.
911, what's your emergency?
We're not afraid. Egg yolk. I don't know why I'm washing off my hands. I'm just gonna put them back in here. I gotta put olive oil and salt. I feel like this isn't enough flour. Oh, I need a fork. You know, my sister said, when I told her I was gonna be doing this, she was like, I think you're way in over your head. And I think it was a joke, but I think she's like half kidding. And I'm kind of starting to believe her. How much olive oil so I can hurry and put this up in here? 3 teaspoons. Okay, so 3 of these. Oh my god, you guys, this is not, it's gonna start leaking in. 2 and 3, half a teaspoon of salt, because salt is important. I gotta whisk all of this in here. Oh my god, it's already going over the side like they said. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, stop. I need more flour. Oh my god. Why did I do this? This is like a science project. So I'm just saying, fuck the well. Lassie couldn't save us. Push some additional flour up against the break. Well, we're already past that. Continue like this until the dough starts to come together and the eggs have been incorporated. Okay. I feel like most of my eggs are over here. So I'm gonna start bringing them back. Yeah, we're just gonna bring them back in. I'm gonna try and salvage this. Oh my god, I would not be ready for MasterChef. Gordon Ramsay would tear me apart.
You're shit!
Yes, Chef, I am.
You are so shit, it's unbelievable.
I can see a light at the end of the tunnel. Like, I'm not where I was in that headspace literally 2 minutes ago. I feel like one big ravioli. Oh my god. It is under my nails like you wouldn't believe. Like, at some point, I just had to grab, like, a, brush that you would clean a plate with and just started scrubbing on my hands. Like, I couldn't get it off. And it's stupid because I'm just about to do it again. Okay, it's in my hair now. Oh, today. We're gonna fix this. Let's, like, take a second. So, the plastic is gone. This is clean. So I'm going to have to roll it against the counter. Like, there's no other way. It says get some flour. Oh my god, this feels so wrong. What? He says, what's up? What isn't up at this point?
Okay.
Then I'm going to turn this bad boy into a ball. Like, can I get to that, please? That's the dream. I feel like a young country gal thinking of my husband away at war. But it says it should be like as smooth as a baby's bottom, and I haven't gotten to butt smoothness yet.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting.
So wrap the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest on your counter for an hour. After an hour, continue the next step, refrigerate the dough for tomorrow. Let me see if I can like make this the same day. I feel like I can, because they do it all the time on MasterChef, unless I'm using a different recipe than they do. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap her and let her sit on the counter for like 20 minutes. And we'll return in 20 minutes. See you in 20, probably like a second. And, okay, we're back. So apparently I'm in a fucking Star Trek movie right now because of these light beams. I really hope you can't see them when I'm editing this, but in case you can, welcome to space. We're in a Ridley Scott movie. So I have my dough. It looks pretty nice. The color looks a lot better. It doesn't look so anemic. It does feel softer. So as you can see, here's our little dough boy. Oh my god, it feels so soft. They were right. Okay, I'm gonna roll this dough out and cut these into smaller pieces. Also, I was pretty sure I'm supposed to cut these into small pieces before I start doing this. You know what? Fuck it. Okay, well, change of plans. I am going to salt the countertops. So just a little bit thin layer. I feel like a gymnast. Okay. Funny thing, I have taken like 3 different recipes to make them fit what I want. I mean, they're not all horribly different. Some of them have a different like rest period. I made mine maybe 20 something minutes, maybe on the little bit of, maybe near 30. This is starting to look really nice though. Yeah, she's a little thick. Okay. I mean, what can I say? She's a baddie. Maybe they were right in making it smaller pieces. Were they? Maybe. Let's like suffer a little longer, and then if it doesn't work, then I'll fix it. Ooh, oh my god. This is amazing. Okay, we're making pasta. I'm gonna say screw it and cut this in half. I think we're getting there. I think they say you should be able to see the light through it. So it's a little thick in the middle. Aren't we all? Man, I'm gonna end up doing what they told me to. I'm gonna cut this in half again one more time. Why did I wear long sleeves? Ooh, look at her. Like I said, she's a weird V. It looks like panties. Okay, let me check my files. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of dough. Transfer the dough to a kitchen towel and air dry for 15 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer for 15 minutes and then we'll be back. And then I guess we'll cut our dough after that. Okay, so I am so exhausted. This is a lot of work. So now that my sheets are dry, I'm going to cut these into, I'm gonna roll them and then I'm gonna cut them. So I'm gonna take this little boy and then I'm gonna cut it into little strips. And then it says at the end you need to like unravel them. Okay. No, they look good. Oh my gosh, they look great. This is so crazy. Okay. So back to it. This is why they wanted me to cut them into little squares so they'd be like evenly sized and not this weird triangle thing. So I get... Yo, I thought I saw something. Okay. There can't be a ghost. No one else lived here before us because it wasn't here. Unless the land is haunted. Ooh. Don't like that. I swear, like, I thought I saw something. Come on. Okay, I was about to say, I don't know. I don't know if it's working. Look at this. Hey! Wow! This looks really nice. I want some Olive Garden shit. Did you know Olive Garden doesn't salt their water? Because they don't want to like ruin their pots. So just know that it's not true Italian cooking because they don't salt their water. Big corporate, huh? I'm just gonna do like a little montage now of me cutting and unrolling these. So see you in a minute with our finished pasta. Okay, so that took so much longer than expected. This is literally taken all day long. Right now, it is 7:20. There's so much of this, but again, I don't know if there's enough to feed 5 people. So, also this is kind of long. I kind of want to cut them just for serving sake and also keeping them in a pot. Yeah, this is plenty. It smells great. Cutting them is like the best part though. And this part is really fun of just like, it's your pasta. This is what you've been waiting for. Here she is. I think I'm gonna cut this in half real quick. Ooh, big plunge, okay. Wow. We have pasta. Yay. This is awesome. Now they're all kind of squished from getting cut.
Come on!
Okay, it's fine. Use your fingers to unfurl pasta, then transfer to a floured baking sheet. They used a food processor? Oh, no, it's fine. We did it like a real Italian. I don't know. I'm not Italian. Okay, we're swirling into little pasta nests and lay them on a floured surface to dry for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm not even done. Okay. Isn't that fun? Okay. Made like this Rorschach. It made a pattern. Yay. So here's how they look right now. I think they look nice. I think they look really good. It's definitely pasta. So that's cool. So yeah, now I'm just gonna let them like chill out for like 20 minutes. Let them hang and then I'll come back.
What is that?
I don't know,
It's
Chef!
not good enough! Get out! You're not good enough! Piss off!
I made noodles. Mom, are you proud? Let's put it on top. Is the good one? Wow, look at that color. So I realized we probably don't have enough pasta to feed everybody, so like I said before, I'm really glad we have regular pasta. So that's why I'm also making chicken and salad, because there may not be enough. How's it going? I'm nervous. Please. I'm really nervous. Lincoln, sage words of advice? Don't die. Thank you. So we time-lapsed the first one, so we're gonna do this. Okay, so I tried some of the other one. It's good. I just need to get the rest of this done. If this doesn't go well, I will have wasted my entire Friday. The first taste test. It tastes like pasta. You can taste how eggy it is.
Yeah.
A little floury.
I like it. I actually like it.
Good. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Congratulations and celebrations.
Cause we're Italian! Hey!
Dai boschi fitti e scuri amarava Mussolino e Pavia e San Luca tutti amavano destino. Iva verso una capanna un c'era tra di duri il fotava sopra un gagna lo contrasto senza onori riposavano tranquilli lo unica sua amanti e lo certo suo cugino.
Let us taste the fruit of our labors. Let's hope I didn't ruin all of this. Well, it sounds great. Cheers. Oh my god. I made pasta. This is actually so good. I'm really proud of this. It's good. I was afraid it was going to be like too floury or too chewy. But I think we did great. Oh my god, the sauce is so good. Well guys, looks like if I am ever on MasterChef, I think I'm going to be okay. Except I don't know how to make a beurre blanc.
You do seriously surprise me.
Thank you, Chef. I was hoping you'd see that. I mean, I'd give it all I got. Give you 110.
You surprise me to how shit you are.